Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about text field style. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is, so if you notice, in the text field that we actually created in the last video, because of the placeholder, you can tell where the text field is, right? But if I take this placeholder text out and go ahead and rerun the app, now you cannot tell the text field is there unless you actually know it is there, right? Let me relaunch it, and you're gonna notice that at this point, looking at this, our user can't tell if the text field is there or not. So by default, text field does not add any border or style around it. So if you don't have a prompt, then it's almost gonna blend itself into the background of the app. Okay, so in order to resolve this, we can use a modifier to the text field. Now this modifier makes the text field stand out, and it's called text field style. Okay, so let's go ahead and use text field style. All right, and the style comes in three different variations. So what we are going to do is we're going to create variations for each of these. So this one is automatic, so I'm gonna call this one automatic, and I'm gonna copy this 3 times. Okay, second one is gonna be plain, or actually let's use rounded border, and let's use plain here. Reason is because I want to show the difference between plain and automatic, and you're gonna see there's no difference. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this, and what this is gonna do is gonna create 3 different text fields for us. So this one is automatic. Automatic mean your style, the text field style, is gonna be picked up from the system. Okay, so whatever is system standard, your text field is gonna be displayed of that style. Okay, so that's actually context sensitive, meaning depending upon the context of the platform, your style is going to be picked up. Okay, second one is rounded border. Now rounded border actually creates a rounded border around the text field. Now this again is context sensitive, so basically depending upon the context and the platform, it's going to display whatever the standard around those rounded borders are, but it is for sure going to display a rounded border. Now plain is, in case of iOS, is exactly same as automatic without any borders, but it actually essentially in other platforms is going to render whatever, a plain text field, just like this, basically just a vanilla text field that has capability to enter new text. Okay, so basically it's gonna be plain, in other words. All right, so these 3 are the built-in styles that text field comes with. Okay, so this is it for this video about the text field styles, and in the next video we are going to be talking about text alignment. Okay, so I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.